ADA New South Wales is the peak body for dentists in New South Wales and the ACT. We have a number of services that are designed to support our members through their whole career, whether that's as a student or as a retired member and everything in between. Dentists look to us for trusted education, they look to us for support. Digital dentistry is growing. I think it is here to stay.
We're very excited about what's possible with digital dentistry.
About 60% of all practices now have intraoral scanners. We are now starting to see more uptake in areas such as 3D printing. For us, having a digital training centre was the next step in providing the level of education that we can support our members with.
It's an opportunity for the dentists to come in and learn about these new workflows and new technologies available.
More education, more understanding, the opportunity to have a bit of a play with items before they step out into that market. That time with the presenter is really valuable. They have the opportunity to ask questions. They have the ability to get really in deep with what they're trying to learn.
It's really exciting to be able to provide that as part of this training facility.
We have scanners. We also have 2 Asiga printers. One is a Max 2 and one is the Ultra. We have our wash and cure units, and we also have a range of resins that we use. It's very exciting for us to utilise those for things like model printing, also for things like splints.
And the great thing about the Asiga products is it's an open printer, which means that you have that flexibility as materials evolve to still be able to use the equipment.
I think for our dentists, it's understanding that they can have these in their practice to help facilitate that digital workflow and help improve the experience for patients. 3D printing is such a part of the world, and I think once you do start to delve a little deeper, you really understand what an impact it can have, and it does open your eyes to what's possible.